Steve J. Today we are going to make a little cute penguin out of cold porcelain clay, and today's video will be in English. So loads of people are asking me, requesting me to do videos in English. I have already posted 4 or 5 videos in English. Please watch them also. Sometimes like this I will post videos in English, but don't expect it all the time, because I love making videos in my mother tongue. I love my mother tongue more as many people love their own mother tongue. Hope you understand this, and let's go to the video. Start the making. For this cute little penguin, we will need black color and white color porcelain clay. If you don't understand what is porcelain clay, please check out this video of making it. It is a homemade clay. We can make it at home with usual household materials. And now we can start making of the penguin. First we have to roll this black color clay for the lower body portion of the penguin. Then we are going to make the head of the penguin with the same black color clay. Roll it really well without crackings. Make some impressions on the head like eye portions and the cheek portions. We have to make it a little chubby because we are going to make a baby penguin. So I want to make it really cute, so that I have to make like this. If you don't want like a chubby penguin baby, you can also make the face like a sphere. It will be more easy for beginners, I think. Dig just a little bit around the eye area, because we are going to add some white clay around this area. Now we can take the white clay and add some white clay around the belly area of the penguin baby, and just paste it and shape it with your fingers. I am using very little tools for making my articles most of the time, because also beginners are watching this, so maybe they don't have the tools with them. So it will be more helpful when I use very little clay tools. Now let's attach the wings. Now we have to add some white clay around the eyes and cheeks areas of the penguin face. Blend this white clay well around the eyes and cheek areas. Then only it will look very cute. And add these on the other cheek area also. It is important to add same amount of white clay around both areas of the face. Blend the clay really well using a tool and your fingers. If you want, you can take some water on your finger and blend the surface with this. Now we can compare the body with the face. Now let's add some black color clay around the partition area of two eyes. And the clay really well with tools or your fingers. You can use water also. Now you see, I can't use any blah blah while I speak English. It is really like officially I'm talking to you. It is really boring. Now our little penguin is getting ready. Now we are going to add eyes with black color clay. You can use any black color bead also for this eyes. I didn't have any smooth finished black color bead. I would have preferred that. It will be really shining when you use beads instead of clay. Add some white color clay around the eyes to make them more realistic. But it is not a very realistic penguin, right? The chubby cheeks and cute face. Realistic penguin is not like that, right? Now again blend the little areas around the eyes. And if you feel any sculpting mistakes around the eyes, then add some clay around the eye portion. If you are not going to make this chubby face, then you don't have to add these much details around the face. So let us make the beak. For the beak, we have to use our yellow color clay. For this, I mix orange and lemon yellow with cold porcelain clay. Roll the clay in the shape of a triangle and fix as a beak. Now the head is ready. And just compare the body with the head. Now let's make the feet with yellow color clay. Make a triangle with the clay and cut the 3 portions and shape it like a penguin feet. You can use any needle also for this. You don't have to use a tool compulsorily. We can fix the feet under the body. The second feet too, like this. Now our feet are ready. Now we have to wait sometimes until the head and the body to get dried. It will take sometimes approximately 6 to 8 hours. After drying, we have to insert an eye pin or a metallic wire through the body and fix the head onto the body using that wire. And after drying, we have to enhance the eye area a little bit with black color acrylic paint. You have to add some black color on the eyes also for the shining, and give a white dot on the eye also. Now let's make a little cutie beanie cap for this little penguin. It will make it more cute. I took a baby pink color clay for this beanie. Ignore the little pink coloration on the head on the penguin because it was my first attempt to try this cap. I totally forgot to take the shot, so unfortunately I had to remove it from her head, so it didn't come out well. That's why the coloration. Let's shape it with your finger like a cap. It's really easy, right? I didn't use any complicated method to make this penguin. Now let's give some impressions as we seen in the beanie cap or winter cap. I just give some cuts around the edges. You can use any blade or craft knife or something instead. Now we have to give some impressions using this needle. Just add some tiny dots. Make it look like a winter cap or a woolen cap. You can use any color clay for this cap making. Now let's make a little woolen ball on the cap and add the same impressions on the ball also. Now stick the ball on the cap using glue. Now let's give some designs on the cap using various colors. I'm using red, blue and green for this. Now our little cutie penguin is ready. This is our little cutie penguin. Do you have any good name for this cutie penguin? If you have any, please drop it in the comment section. I will select one of the most beautiful names from them and let you know on the next video. Do you like this cute penguin? If you do, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and if you are watching my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. If you have more queries about the making, please ask in the comment section. Let us meet with a new creative video on Monday. Till then, cheers!